Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit about this paraffin wax warming unit. There are a couple of settings you have it on low or high heat. I usually put it on high heat to begin with just to get the wax melted really quickly, and then I put it on low because I find the high heat is a little too warm for my skin. And when it's on, it will glow green right here. This unit does come with a good amount of wax. However, I find that I really needed some more. I do find I have to tip it to completely cover my hand. I'll just demonstrate. So you're really supposed to have, there's a little tray that's provided. You're supposed to put in the bottom here to keep you from really burning yourself. But if you have it on low, at least for me, I didn't find that I had a problem with it. And it's just don't keep your hand down on the bottom. You're just supposed to dip it and let it dry for a few minutes or a few seconds, and dip it again. And you can see I'm not getting the top of my hand done because it's not deep enough. I would have to turn my hand over and dip it that way. So you dip it a few times, 4 to 5 times, let it completely dry, and then just peel it off. And you'll have smoother skin. The wax does smell, have a light rose smell to it. The more you let it dry out, the easier it will be to peel off. I made the mistake the first time I used it of not letting it dry completely, and it was very difficult to get the little pieces of wax off. If you let it dry, then it can peel off in sheets. You can see how it's already, just from me moving my hands, it's already peeling up. Apologize for the lighting. Let's see. This peels off in big chunks. And then you just deposit the wax back into the warming unit, and it will heat it up for use once again, so you can reuse it. So overall, you can see where I put the wax back in. I like this unit. I think it should have came with a little bit more wax, but you can buy this type of wax at just about any grocery store. So it does leave my hands really smooth, and I like it.